In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count and count distinct in Tableau when counting dimensions. Whether you're analyzing sales regions, tracking inventory levels, or monitoring customer engagement, understanding these functionalities can enhance your data analysis profoundly. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to master this in Tableau. First things first, we're going to start by opening up the Tableau application. You'll likely find the Tableau icon on your desktop or in your list of applications. Go ahead and give that a double click and let the software boot up. Now that Tableau is open, you'll need to access your specific worksheet. This is where all your data magic happens. Look for the worksheet you've been working on or you'd like to analyze. Once inside your worksheet, focus on the Dimensions panel. We're going to begin by dragging the region field to the rows shelf. This action helps us set the stage for the data aggregation that Tableau offers. Visualizing your data by rows allows for a clear view and manipulation as we proceed. Next up, direct your attention to the data pane. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Clicking on it presents various options. What we want here is to create a calculated field. Click on Create Calculated Field. This feature is integral to perform customized calculations and derive meaningful insights from your data. Once you're in the Calculated Field dialog box, it's important to give your new field a descriptive name. Let's go ahead and name it Count of Region. Inside the formula editor, type in the count function to calculate how many entries there are for the region field. Once you've entered your query, click OK to save it. That calculated field now holds the information needed for a raw count of regions in your dataset. With that accomplished, drag this newly created calculated field to your view sheet to display the number of regions. It's a straightforward way to visualize the data you've just computed and ensure the numbers align with your expectations. Now we'll switch gears to tackle the count distinct functionality. Return to that dropdown, click once more and select Create Calculated Field again. This time name it Count D of Region. Stand for Count Distinct. Inside the formula editor, utilize the Count D function. This function is critical as it will tally only the distinct or unique entries within the region field. After entering your query, hit OK to create that distinct count field. Finally, take this Count D calculated field and drag it onto your worksheet view. You now have a powerful visualization of unique regional entries in your data set. These fields will help you discern trends and variations in your data with clarity. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on deploying count and count distinct functions within Tableau for dimension analysis. By applying these steps, you'll enrich your data storytelling and extract nuanced insights. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.